gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
All right, this is what Jill does every year.
Hi.
Mom, do we have some bolts we can put in there?
So we're having to get everything Christmas ready. Here, I'll get out from here. We're having to get everything Christmas ready and pack today. So it's like a busy day. Tomorrow we all get on a flight to go to Disney World, and we're gonna go see Disney World at Christmas time. We're really excited. But I want to have the house completely decorated for Christmas so when we come back, we can still enjoy Christmas. So, with Thanksgiving being so late this year, it seems like we don't get enough time between the two holidays. But that's what's going on here all day today is get everything out, get it set up, get packed, and leave. We got the entire house set up and decorated for Christmas, and now we are at the airport waiting to board our flight to go spend some time in Disney. We're really excited because none of us have ever seen Disney at Christmas time, so we can't wait for this experience and just for it all to begin.
And just started boarding, so we should probably go down to the gate.
Florida, and we made a stop in Palm Beach first before we head up to Orlando. Look who we found. Imagine that, you never know.
Lincoln's getting video of the boat that's going through the drawbridge. Lincoln loves to capture things on video.
Oh wow. Papa, look.
Yeah. There he goes.
It is early in the morning and we don't care because we are on our way to Disney. We had a nice evening with Nana and Papa, a wonderful dinner, and now it is off to Animal Kingdom today just to see it all decked out for Christmas. We're really excited. We're gonna try and hit all 4 parks for this trip, so 1 park every day.
I am super excited. I'm just not showing it quite yet because I'm still a little tired, but we had a great dinner last night, like Jill said, and we actually went to a seafood restaurant that's right on the water on the Intercoastal in Palm Beach, and it's kind of a local place, but it is a lot of fun, and food was really good. So I had this like lump crab Cobb salad that was amazing. So, but no, we're on the long trip. The problem with this road up to Orlando is that it gets very long and straight and boring, and so I'm sure there will be a point here pretty soon where I'll pull over and let Jill drive so I can sleep.
We've done this trip a lot of times, and yes, there's a point where you just start falling asleep. And we've got the two Disney enthusiasts in the back. Are you excited?
So excited.
Look at this one, Kenya, look.
Oh my gosh.
That's pretty cool. Wow, his mouth even open. Look at that.
Everything is decked out. And one of the exciting things that's actually happening this trip is we have some really good friends back in Parker that had some connections here, and they saw Kenya's performance of The Lion King, and actually they were able to get us VIP tickets so Kenya can go back and meet the cast and crew of the Festival of the Lion King. This is something she has always dreamed about. Kenya, as you all know if you've watched our vlog, loves to perform. She hopes to be on Broadway one day. So for her to be able to have this experience is just amazing, and she's so excited. And we'd just like to say thanks to Amy, Lennon, Riley, and Addie. And Amy, your dad is just so amazing to be able to do this for us. So thank you guys for doing it, and we're gonna head on over and watch the Festival of the Lion King.
I'm so excited.
Yeah? You think you're gonna be doing this one day?
Yes, absolutely. I want to say, Miss Licks, thank you so much. And Riley, Lennon, and Addie, I can't explain my gratitude. Thank you so much.
You can barely contain it.
I'm so, oh my gosh, I can't believe this is actually happening. I've always wanted to miss it. Yes!
Wow. Kenya, look at this. So cool, huh? What do you think, buddy?
Really cool.
We're in here and like nobody else is in here yet.
Be right in the front row right here.
All right, thank you.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Front row.
Here, dude.
Lincoln, you're about to meet the cast of The Lion King. What do you think?
Cool.
Just cool?
Yeah. It's awesome.
Hello, welcome. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you one and all to the Festival of the Lion King. Welcome to the world.
It is the Lion's turn. I'm here with my new friend Kenya, coming to you all the way from Colorado, and Kenya is going to give us her best lion imitation. All right, my friend, paws up just like a lion. There you go. Now, Kenya, I want to hear your best lion roar. Roar! Yes. Good job, my friend. Stay with me. We're going to turn around now and get everyone to put their paws up, just like Kenya, and on the count of 3, let's hear that roar. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Roar!
Now that's a lion.
Time for the elephant scene. We have Brendan from Chicago, Illinois, and he's our leader. Okay, Brendan, get that arm up. Let's see that trunk.
Hey.
Now let's hear that call. Sounds to call them in. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Everyone, listen. It is time.
Ready to clap your balls. Stop your hooves and roll your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin. Now, I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
All right, Giraffe, you're first. On the count of 3, let's hear some noises. 1, 2, 3.
She's singing.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
Pop me over by the warthogs.
Get ready, warthogs, it's your turn. Dun-dun, swimming around my head.
Right, Lions, let's show some warriors. 1, 2, 3.
Simply why I owe the king undisputed, respected, saluted, conceived for the wonder and yes, my sleep and ambitions are bad.
Too much to take in all time.
Challenge! I tell you what, how about our lions and warthogs and your giraffes and your elephants? Your section, stick with them.
So what do you say?
Having you with us. You were a lovely group, the best audience ever. Now, please, get out! You know this, no pet personal belongings, textbook silver by the name, yada yada yada, move in orderly fashion on the exit, no pushing and shoving. Oh wait, we haven't got all day. We got another one of these babies to crank out.
Here they come.
Wow.
She's gonna flip out.
Hello, hi friends. How are you?
Really
Good, good. Thanks for coming.
You guys were amazing.
You guys were awesome. You were awesome.
For coming.
Yeah.
Did you win?
I don't know how you walk on those things, seriously.
Coming.
Thank you. Hey, thank you. Nice job. Thank you. Nice job.
She wants to be a performer one day.
Okay.
She, yeah.
Fun? Is you like doing it
Yes.
a lot? Hi guys!
The best
Oh my
part about it
gosh.
is that we say,
Wow. Nice job.
Hi!
Do you want to show them your picture of you being a Kiki for your
No,
school?
actually her picture.
In her Lion King production.
great.
Can we see? Yeah.
All right.
Hi everyone. Hi.
Awesome job, guys.
Yeah. You're going to be the lead.
That's fantastic. Did you get a picture yourself or did someone else?
She's going to do the next show.
You did it all?
I had to do it.
Wait, have you never seen that? Okay, if you go down this way when you're done, past the merchandise store, there's a trailway you can meet Simone and Rafiki. Simone leaves this show and goes on. But let Rafiki know that you did Rafiki.
All right.
Come on down.
Enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Awesome job, guys. Awesome.
Y'all enjoy, okay?
Thank you.
Wonderful job.
Thank you.
Ready?
Yeah, you got your stuff. Get your stuff. Awesome job, guys. Awesome job, guys.
Never having enough. Have a great time.
Wow. You get to meet the cast, Kenya.
Kenya and Lincoln decided to, they're gonna do the Kali River Rapids. And Luke and I are gonna sit this one out.
I'm not doing this. Why would I go intentionally get wet?
Because it's fun. It's just like splash. It's literally the definition.
All right,
hold
so
that.
this is what they look like before. And we'll see what they look like after.
All right, have fun. We'll wait for you by the exit, okay?
It wasn't that bad. It's not as hot.
You don't look too wet.
No, it's not as wet as you think. Mom, look.
Oh, you're not too bad. How was it?
It was fun.
We split up. Kenya and Luke are over at Expedition Everest. That's not one of Lincoln's most favorite rides. It's okay. So we're going to the dinosaur ride at Dinoland. He likes that one. So it's the two of us for a little bit and we'll catch up with the other two. Gonna get eaten by a dinosaur?
Hopefully not.
Alright guys, we're waiting to get on the train to Rafiki's outpost. This is something we've never done at Animal Kingdom, so this will be a first for us. I've heard that it's a really great thing to do just to take time and to ride it out.
It's pretty cool. You get to sit sideways to look out the train.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. hope. I'm so tired.
Tell them, please, because I don't want to turn the
We're
camera.
doing animation tutorial experience, animation experience.
You're not sleep deprived, are you?
Yes.
So, in other words, we're going to learn how to draw an animal.
A hyena.
Howdy! How are y'all doing today? Good? Yeah? Are y'all ready to draw? Yeah? Perfect. And I want to make sure you have everything that you need to have. Do you have a clipboard, a sheet of paper, and a pencil?
Yes.
Yes. We all good? Perfect.
Goodness.
What kind of weird chicken is that? Something wrong with his neck.
That means we have to have
It's the circle of life, and it moves us all through despair and hope. Oh my God.
Miko's been practicing his game. He calls this swimming. And this is the rowing. Now, what's your favorite thing? Let me see you do that.
You didn't rush this time.
Miko, did you see it? He looks just like you. Let's see. It's a swimming raccoon, isn't it? I hope you go back to your village and show all of your friends. Maybe at your next one.
Where are we at?
I don't know.
We're inside some kind of mobile trailer. This is where we're eating, and it looks like a little modular trailer. And they're right in here